Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Well, this is going to be the first of the new series, Your Prep for Today. And today's prep is, as you saw on the slide there, brain aid. And you kind of know what brain aid. Well, we all like to think that our brains are something phenomenal. We got the best brain out there. We can remember anything we need to remember. And the problem is that's not exactly true. While our brains come up with great ideas, we get flashes of inspiration. Unfortunately, those flashes of inspiration flash away just as quickly. And we need something with us to be able to remember it. And probably the most common thing to have is a notebook to write stuff down on. Well, you can also have index cards where you can write stuff out. Hey, if you're one of the modern techies, your cell phone has a note app on it and a recording app. So you can actually speak what your thoughts are instead of having to wait, trying to figure out, okay, writing it down. You just blather it out into recording and then write it down later. In your prepping, if you come up with a great idea, you don't want to forget it and try to remember it later and be totally frustrated that you can't remember what that great idea was. So carry a notebook with you at all times with a pen or pencil or both. That way you can write down at the time when you have a great idea, things going to help you out. Now, I've already written down 140 some odd topics for your prep for today, but I know there are people out there that have other ideas, and 2 heads are better than 1, 6 are better than 2. So if you come up with an idea for Your Prep for Today series here, I'll be happy to share it out with everybody and give you credit for it too. Unless, of course, you say, don't give me credit. So I'm willing to work with you on that. But I think we all need to share our ideas, our inspiration with each other so we're all not trying to reinvent the wheel all the time. All right? So as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you next time around.